Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Part Question 1. The cell as the basic unit of life consists of A. Cell wall and vacuole, B. Nucleus and cell wall, C. Cytoplasm and nucleus, D. Cytoplasm and vacuole. So as it's been rightly established here, the cell is the basic unit of life. So for a standard definition of the cell, we could say the cell is the simplest unit of living organisms that can exist independently. Now, option A, which says cell wall and vacuole. The cell wall and vacuole is mainly seen in plant cells, and the cell wall basically surrounds the membrane and provides structural integrity for the cell, while the vacuole contains many substances such as excretory substances and enzymes. Now, the nucleus is the major cell organelle of the cell. It coordinates all the activities of the cell. And then lastly, the last option here, or the last item that we've not talked of, is the cytoplasm. And the cytoplasm is basically all the content of the cell aside the nucleus. So from what we've seen, the nucleus is the major organelle of the cell, and then the cytoplasm is every other content within the cell aside the nucleus. So majorly, you can say the cell consists of two units, two parts: the nucleus, which is the major and central organelle, and then the cytoplasm, which consists of other organelles and every other content within the cell apart from the nucleus. So the cytoplasm and the nucleus, which is option C, is the basic way you can classify the content of the cell, or what the cell consists of. Every other thing is either around the cell or within the cell. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.